Hello friends, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. Friends, this video is very important because in the previous video I already discussed that how I cracked the Infosys certification exam with all-round process, but this video is basically about how to start preparation for Infytq examination 2021. As I already said that for the 2020 and 2021 batch, exam is already done. So for 2022 batch and for the next further batches, exam is scheduled. For the 2022 batch, exam is scheduled in the month of Feb 2021 or later. It will be released soon by Infosys. So in this video, I am talking about qualifier round, syllabus, strategy, structure of qualifier round. So let's start the video. Friends, we know that Infosys conduct Infytq exam every year. So as I already said that exam is already conducted for the 2020 and 2021 batch. So for 2022 batch, there is no more time for the preparation because only 1 month, 1.5 months is left for the preparation. But believe me, this time is only for preparation and you need to prepare and ready all the syllabus before exam. So this is the start of preparation. We know we have less time, but you need to start preparation from today, this time, because Infytq exam is scheduled after 1 to 2 months. Firstly, I start with the general introduction that what is the qualifier round, structure of qualifier round, syllabus for qualifier round, resources, strategy to crack in first attempt. So friends, I also talk about the pattern of qualifier round exam and how it can be categorized into different sections. I am also talking about the cutoff criteria for the qualifier round, which is the important discussion in this video because at the time of result, Infosys not release the particular score. So what is the selection criteria for the qualifier round? We discuss later. So here is the first slide. What is the qualifier round? So friends, qualifier round is basically first round and first part of the Infosys certification exam. After that, final round and interview held. But you need to first clear qualifier round before participating in the next round. The qualifier round of Infosys certification will have 40 multiple choice questions according to the previous year criteria or pattern to be answered in 60 minutes. You have 60 minutes and there is a 40 multiple choice question. Each correct answer will give you 1 mark and each wrong answer will deduct 0.25 mark. Means friends, there is a negative marking in qualifier round. At my time, I participated in the exam, so there is a no negative marking in the final round. So there is a negative marking in the qualifier round. So be prepared that if you attempt any question, so be prepared sure with the answer that you have write this answer. So friends, let's talk about the structure of qualifier round. Qualifier round is the first round of the Infosys certification exam. As I already told that there are 40 questions. Time is equals to 60 minutes, means you have 60 minutes and you need to solve 40 questions. 1 mark is equals to correct answer. Wrong answer is equals to 0.25 mark. So talking about structure from previous year 2021, Infosys introduced for the 2021 batches, Infosys introduced qualifier round in the Infosys certification exam. But at the time of 2020 batch, there is no qualifier round. So every year they implement exam with new extent. So prepare for the exam. So friends, before filling, you need to know about some important points about qualifier round because this point is very important because we all need know to the qualifier round structure that these are the pattern, there are the questions, 20 questions of Java, DBMS, Aptitude. But we don't know the important point. Before filling form or selection slots for qualifier round or for selecting slots for qualifier round, you need to first register on Infytq. Soon I will make video on how to register on Infytq without any error because your one mistake will cancel your registration. Yes friends, So first register, and whenever slots come for your batch, there is a mail sent by Infosys on your email that you can register for Infosys certification. Friends, when filling form or selecting slots, you need to select one programming language from Java or either Python, because there is a two language present in the Infosys certification exam. So you need to choose any one from them. Please aware that you choose one programming language, confirm selection, because after selection you cannot change them again. So please sure selection before any programming language. So friends, as I already told that the qualifier round of Infosys certification is structured into three sections. There is a Java/Python 20 question, means you selecting Java, so there are 20 questions of Java. You are selecting Python programming language, so there is a 20 question of Python programming language. There is question of DBMS, 10 questions of DBMS are also present, and aptitude 10 question. You can select between Java and Python at the time of booking a slot for the qualifier round. As I already told that Infosys send you mail after registration on Infytq. As I already said that there are two programming language, Python and Java are available. You need to select for the qualifier round. For the final round, you also need to select before. So as I told that first I will discuss the syllabus of qualifier round, and in the next slide we see that what are the some resources for the qualifier round that will help you definitely. So friends, these are the aptitude syllabus. Aptitude syllabus is same for the Java candidates and for the Python candidates. Means you can select any one of the language, like either you select Java or Python. So aptitude syllabus is same for everyone. There is a 10 question of aptitude, so there is a two topic. So you need to understand this topic very thoroughly, because this topic are very important. There is a section of quantitative aptitude and there is a section of reasoning. So there is a total 10 question, and there is a topic of quantitative aptitude and the reasoning. So there is a subtopic that in the quantitative aptitude there are topic like algebra, elegant or mixture, average, geometry, number, percentage, permutation, combination, ratio and proportion, time and distance, probability. So friends, these are the basic topics that we discussed below, as in already in the video, that this is the syllabus for the aptitude. And reasoning part is also there. There are the question on blood relationship, data interpretation, data sufficiency, logical deduction, logical sequence of word, Venn diagram, statement and conclusions. So friends, aptitude is just a part of practicing the question. So friends, this is the aptitude syllabus. These are the same for the Java candidates and for the Python candidates, means you can choose either of the programming language like Python or Java. This syllabus are the same. There are the subtopic included that I already discussed. Moving to the next slide, what about the Python syllabus? What about the Java syllabus? What about the DBMSSQL data structure OOPS syllabus? जैसा कि मैंने पहले कहा था मेरी पहली वाली वीडियो में कि यहाँ पे जो पाइथन का सिलेबस रहेगा उसी से को रिलेटेड डीबीएमएस डेटा स्ट्रक्चर ऊप्स के क्वेश्चन होते हैं. मींस these are the questions, basically data structure, oops, DBMS SQL also they ask a question. As I see that, as you can see that this PDF are Infosys official syllabus PDF for the Python programming language and for the Java programming language. For Python and Java programming language, aptitude section is same, means aptitude syllabus is same. You can see that it is a Java syllabus and you can see that it is a Python syllabus for the year 2020. Means I am giving exam in 2020 year, so this is the official syllabus on Infytq website. For 2022 batch, Infosys will release soon the syllabus for the qualifier round. There is no particular syllabus for the final round. There is a DBMS SQL objective type questions, 20 objective type questions, but there is a no syllabus at all for the final round. But for the qualifier round, there is an official syllabus. You can download it from Infytq. I will also add this syllabus in the description. I will share link for this syllabus, you can check in description. There will be link present. You can download from it. So friends, these are the aptitude section. They are same in the Java or Python. And next, talking about Python programming. So there is a different section, because you can, if you select Java programming, so this syllabus is applicable. If you select Python programming, so this syllabus is applicable. So friends, I also want to add some points that they were asking about data structure and algorithms question also in Python programming, means data structure and algorithm using Python programming language. And if you select Java, so data structure and algorithms using Java. So friends, in this structure or in this syllabus, there is a subtopic like there is a introduction to data structure, Java collection, framework and generics. You can see that there is a DBMS syllabus also, SQL syllabus also. But friend, DBMS and SQL syllabus are same for the Python or Java syllabus. You can see that there is a same syllabus. There is a no collapse or collaboration between them. But in the context of data structure, algorithms and object-oriented programming, it can be differ, because they also ask a question. Means there are 20 questions for a particular programming language, we know. But there are also questions from object-oriented programming, data structure and algorithms, and DBMS. So friends, you need to prepare all the subjects very well, like data structure algorithms. If you choose Python programming language, you need to practice data structure and algorithms from Infytq section website. As you can see that this is the Infytq website, official website. You can register for the registration to this Infytq platform. There are some foundation courses in the Infytq website. You can see that the programming fundamental using Python. There is no Java syllabus at all, but soon it will be released. There is object-oriented programming using Python. There is data structure and algorithm using Python, learning DBMS and SQL. So these are the basic courses. You can see that these are the advanced courses. You can see that below, but you can learn also from that. But these are the some important topics. As you see that these all are the foundation courses. You can see that you can start from this topic here, means you can start the data structure and algorithm, and you need to start all the prepare syllabus that are given in the Infytq on the Infytq official platform. So friends, these are the basically topics like introduction, list data structure, list using array option. There are also assignments and there are also quiz present. So friends, start practicing it, complete it by, इसे आपको रोज करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपको सारे असाइनमेंट्स मिलेंगे. आपको यहाँ पे जितने भी लिस्ट से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है, स्टैक से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है, क्यू से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है, आपको यहाँ पे सभी देखने को मिलेंगे. तो आपको असाइनमेंट्स भी कंप्लीट करना है और आपको जितना भी यहाँ पे सिलेबस है उसको कंप्लीट करते चलना है. So friends, these are the basic Python syllabus, Java syllabus and DBMS SQL data structure OOPS syllabus. So for the resources, as I come to the resources for the Python, I refer the book Learning Python, which is the best Python book at all, because this book will go to beginner to advanced level. And I refer also some channels like Amul's Academy, Code with Harry, Telescope, because these are the channels which are really important for the beginner as well as for advanced candidate, because you need to prepare for coding also. So you need to start learning from that. You also buy this book Learning Python from Amazon website. This is the book official. You can see the preview that this book are very useful. You can download it from Google also. So friend, I refer the Learning Python book. These are very best book. This will explain your all the concepts very clearly. And after that, I refer online website w3school.com, which are very important to crack the exam, because there are some extra points in the W3 school that are very essential to learning the Python. So I choose Python programming language for the qualifier round. So basically you can refer these resources. These resources are very important. So you can refer these resources as I refer. For the Java, I use the head first Java, means I do not choose the programming language Java. My friend choose the programming language Java. So you can refer the book called Head First Java. You can officially buy on it Amazon website. You can see that it is a Head First Java, and there are the so many topics of Java. You can see that object oriented programming, data structure, Java is a pass by value programming. Means this is the book for advanced as well as for beginner candidate. My friend also recommend YouTube channel like Java by Niso Academy, Java by Saurabh Shukla sir, online website that he prefers. Java T Point is the best website to learn Java. So it are the basically resources for the qualifier round. So friends, these are the aptitude section. For aptitude section, I do not much prefer like resources, like I just practicing question by R.S. Agrawal sir book for quantitative aptitude, and for reasoning I also prefer R.S. Agrawal sir book because I already attached the syllabus link. You can prepare according for aptitude for daily question. But for qualifier round, you have not so much time for every question. You need to solve all question in the allotted time. So friends, you need to refer quantitative aptitude R.S. Agrawal sir book, and for reasoning you can also refer R.S. Agrawal sir book, because according to your assumption, according to your practice, you need to practice questions of aptitude daily, because you not so much have time for the each question. So friends, practice aptitude questions daily. It will be very important for the qualifier round, because there are total 10 questions and you need to solve each question in a particular or allotted time. For DBMSSQL, database management system and sequential structured query language, for the resources, I prefer my university, means I am pass out from RGPV, Rajiv Gandhi Pradyogiki Vishwavidyalaya University. So I can prefer 5th SEM of my BTech syllabus. As I also attach the link in description, you can see that from below. Official syllabus means you can see that I already talked about the official syllabus that is given in the Python programming language section, or given in the Java programming language, that introduction to DBMS, SQL basics, DDL statement, DML statement. Or friend, I also said that you can refer all the channels like Asha Kilrani ma'am DBMS lecture channel. It will be present in Hindi only. So you can for English lecture you can prefer the Sanchit Jain sir lecture. It will be also helpful for everyone. You can refer to anyone from them. Also complete learning section from Infytq platform of DBMS, because friends, there are the question in the qualifier round are not much same as in the final exam, but you can refer and you can complete the learning section from Infytq platform, because it is very important that you need have to pattern that this type of question are asking in the final exam. So please complete learning section from Infytq platform. Moving to the next slide, DBMS plus SQL, as I already told that data for database management system, you can refer these resources. And for database management system or SQL, for SQL, I prefer the website for learning SQL like W3SQL, Java T Point, because this is sufficient for learning SQL, because we can practice SQL queries, because they are important in both rounds as well as in interview, because they can ask a query to write a query for this. So friends, practice query daily. You need to practice query question daily, and you need to prefer a quiz section from Infytq platform section. There are so many questions present, so you can practice from that section. After that, friend, comes data structure and algorithms. For data structure and algorithm section, I always prefer syllabus, RGPV syllabus for 3rd SEM, because in my university data structure and algorithms are two different subjects. Like data structure is a one subject that I read in 3rd SEM, and algorithm is a subject that I learn in the 4th SEM. So I prefer 3rd SEM data structure syllabus for RGPV. You can also prefer or refer to your university syllabus, because they are quite same. Topics are outgoing now, but syllabus are quite same. So I prefer 3rd and 4th SEM RGPV syllabus. You can see that I prefer data structure plus analysis design of algorithm ADA syllabus. And I also complete learning section of Infytq, because it is very important to complete the learning section. I also prefer YouTube channels like Asha Kilrani ma'am videos, ADA videos, data structure videos, because they also made different playlists on ADA and data structure. So I also complete the both videos, and I also complete this section. So these are very important for the data structure and algorithms section. For object-oriented programming section, I also prefer RGPV syllabus for third sem because it is quite sufficient, and you can see that Infytq object-oriented programming course, as I already said that Infytq section platform course is very sufficient, very essential, very needed, because this will teach you all the courses in a short time. You can complete in on by day. And for the other batches, like if you are pass out in 2023 or in 2024 batches, you can start practicing from today, because this syllabus is very important. So you can complete this all syllabus, like you can prefer all the class diagram tips, and there are the assignments question, there are the mock object oriented programming practice quiz, so you can complete from it. After that you can refer online. I refer online website, means I prefer online content object oriented programming in Python, because there are the some question in qualifier round from object oriented programming. So friends, in the next video I will share you how to crack qualifier round easily in first attempt, or tips for cracking qualifier round. I also started the series of questions in next videos, that how they are asking question in the qualifier round and how you can crack in your first attempt. So I refer a book called E. Balaguru Swami. As we all know that E. Balaguru Swami is a famous author, and E. Balaguru Swami, for concepts like I already learned the so many concept of object oriented programming, but this is the main concept that I learned. But you need to make concepts learned according to your programming language. As I already said that object oriented programming, if you choose Python, so please read object oriented programming in Python, object data structure and algorithm using in Python. DBMS and SQL are quite same for the Java and Python, but you need to make concept learn according to your programming language. As for Java, you can refer another book, and E. Balaguru Swami is a basic book like C and C++. So C++ book is basic for all, so you can prefer the Infytq object oriented programming course. So friends, these are the some myth about qualifier round. So there are the some myth that remains in the candidates, that candidates will think that this is useful, this programming language is useful or not. So there are the some myth for qualifier round. Choose programming language, means you can choose Python versus Java. So some people are say that Python is a very easy language, you can choose that. As I already choose the Python programming language, so most of the candidates are asked that sir, can I choose Python programming language for qualifier round as well as for final round as I practice? Friends, there is no confusion at all. If you are comfortable in any programming language, means if you are comfortable in Python programming language, you can choose Python. If you are comfortable in Java programming language, you can choose Java. But very important point, if you are choosing any one of the programming language, please be sure before after selecting the programming language, you cannot change for the qualifier round. As for final round, there are the other criteria for selecting programming language, but for the final round there are the selection for Python versus Java. So if you are comfortable in any programming language below both of them, like Python and Java, you can choose between them. So there is a interviewer, though they ask me question from data structure object oriented programming in Python as in my interview. So there is also myth that in qualifier round there are no question of data structure algorithm object oriented programming. So friend, this is wrong, this is totally wrong, because they ask a question according like data structure object oriented programming. If you are selected any language, like if you are selected in Python, so I already told that please be prepared data structures in Python. If you are selected in Java, so please prefer data structure in Java. So I already shared the both the resources. You can see that from data structure is the basic part. As I already said that so many candidates asking there are no learning section available for data structure in Java. So you can prefer the your university syllabus for learning the data structure. You can prefer online website for learning the data structure using Java. So there is a no collapse at all. Is 1 month is sufficient for preparation? As I already candidates ask me that on Instagram that sir, there is only 1 month left, so it is sufficient for preparation. Can we crack the exam in one attempt? Can we crack the exam in first attempt or not? So friends, believe me, this time is preparation time. You need to don't worry about Infosys, how Infosys conduct their exam in after 1 month or 2 months. This is just a prediction that in February 2021 Infosys will conduct exam for the upcoming batches, like for the 2022 batches. So if the exam is delayed, there is no possibility at all, because if exam is delayed, so they will inform all of us, and after that if you have 1 month, 2 month or so more month, but this time is preparation, you need to daily prepare for this exam, because this exam. So friends, you can start the preparation from today for upcoming batches like 2023 and 2024 pass out. You can also learn all the sections from the Infytq official website, and practice all the related questions for the qualifier round and final round, as you can in your third year 6th sem exam is coming, and you need to prepare and you need to participate in the exam. So prepare before the time. So 1 month is sufficient for the preparation, there is no doubt at all, and I will upload all the next videos with all of you soon, that how I crack the final round of Infosys certification, how to crack final round in first attempt, how to crack qualifier round in first attempt, tips to cracking qualifier round, all the necessary videos soon I will share with all of you. So friends, if you have any queries regarding Infytq certification exam, I hope these videos are useful for everyone. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section or DM me on Instagram. This is my Instagram ID, onlinelearning/153. You can message me, all queries will be answered. I will answer all your queries. I will regularly work on best content for all of you, that I will share more experience with all of you, that what you need to prepare or what need to, these are the basically resources for the qualifier round. So in the next video I will share the resources for the final round. So many candidates are asking me about please share the qualifier round resources. So this is the qualifier round resources video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section or DM me on Instagram. I will definitely help you. So friends, I hope this video is useful. So friends, we meet soon in the next video, and there is syllabus, strategy and the qualifier round combination is very important for cracking the qualifier round. These are the previous syllabus for the Infosys. So if there is an official syllabus on the Infytq website released, so I will inform you. Whenever slot will be released, I will inform you, and I will also upload a new video that how to register on Infosys platform, Infytq platform, because your single error or single mistake will cancel your registration from Infosys certification exam. So in the next video I will upload soon videos. So thank you.